Hi all. Now we are moving on module 6 of CE 372 Engineering Hydrology. In this module includes the following topics. First topic is flood routing and their classification. Mainly flood routing is divided into two types. First one reservoir routing and second one channel flood routing. In reservoir routing, we have two methods. First one ISD method and second one modified pulse method. In channel routing, we have only one method, that is Muskinger method. The next topic is flood control methods and the last topic is flood warning and flood forecasting methods. Flood routing. First, we are discussing what is flood routing and how it can be defined. Flood routing may be defined as the procedure where the shape of a flood hydrograph at a particular location on the stream is determined from the known or assumed flood hydrograph at some other location upstream, or it's a technique of determining the flood hydrograph at a section of a river by utilizing the data of flood flow at one or more upstream sections. And the flood routing technique have the following applications: flood forecasting, flood protection, and design for reservoir and spillway design. Flood routing can be classified into two types. Based on the media, we can classify it into two. The first one, reservoir routing. Reservoir routing analyzes mainly the reservoir storage on the flood hydrograph. Normally, we can determine the reservoir storage of height or elevation of the water surface through this routing. Mainly the storage volume of the outflow and the characteristics of the reservoir is known, then we can calculate the storage capacity or height of the reservoir. Then second one, channel routing. The channel routing is also called as stream channel routing. As it is called, mainly it uses the mathematical relations to calculate the outflow from a stream channel once inflow, lateral contribution and channel characteristics are known. The terms channel routing and flood routing are used interchangeably. It's because most of the channel routing applications are in flood flow analysis, flood control design, and flood forecasting. Based on the equations, we can classify it into two types of routing. The first one, hydraulic routing. It's also called as distributed routing. It's purely based upon the partial differential equations of unsteady flow. Already in fourth module, we studied partial differential equations of unsteady flow. So this hydraulic routing is purely based upon that partial differential equations. Then hydrologic routing. Second one is hydrologic routing. It mainly uses the continuity equation for hydrology. In this routing, the main simplest form is the inflow of river is equal to the sum of the outflow and the change in storage. That is, I is equal to O plus delta S, where I is the average inflow, O is the average outflow, delta S equal to water currently in the reach, that is known as storage. Normally, the hydrologic model is need to estimate the hydrological parameters using the recorded data in both upstream and downstream section of the river. Thank you.